Day 7 of the 30-Day English Challenge. Welcome back. You are making good progress. Days 1 to 6 gave you the roadmap, speaking practice, problem fixes, 100 words, shadowing, and thinking in English. Today we work on listening. Listening is very important. You cannot speak well if you cannot hear well. Many beginners hear English words but not understand them clearly. They miss important sounds. They miss fast speech. Today you learn how to hear English better. This lesson is slow and clear for beginners. I speak each sentence 2 times. First time, just listen. Second time, repeat after me. We start with short sentences, then longer sentences, then small conversations. Stay until end. Practice makes listening easy. Why listening practice helps you? When you listen many times, your ear learns English sounds. Your brain remembers words better. You understand normal speed English. You feel more confident to speak. 5 reasons good listening helps. Number 1, you hear correct pronunciation. Number 2, you learn natural speed. Number 3, you understand connected speech. Number 4, you build vocabulary from hearing. Number 5, you feel ready to answer. Now we start with very easy sentences. Listen first, then repeat. Part 1. Very short sentences. Listen, I am here. Repeat, I am here. Listen, you are good. Repeat, you are good. Listen, this is easy. Repeat, this is easy. Listen, we learn now. Repeat, we learn now. Listen, time goes fast. Repeat, time goes fast. Listen, I see you. Repeat, I see you. Listen, you hear me. Repeat, you hear me. Listen, good job now. Repeat, good job now. Pause video. Say these 8 sentences again. Say them from memory. Part 2. Short sentences with numbers. Listen. I have 1 book. Repeat. I have 1 book. Listen. You need 2 pens. Repeat. You need 2 pens. Listen. This is day 3. Repeat. This is day 3. Listen, we work 4 hours. Repeat, we work 4 hours. Listen, my house has 5 rooms. Repeat, my house has 5 rooms. Listen, school starts at 6. Repeat, school starts at 6. Listen, I eat 7 apples. Repeat, I eat 7 apples. Listen, you learn 8 words. Repeat, you learn 8 words. Good work. Numbers help listening. Pause. Practice these again slowly. Part 3. Sentences about daily life. Listen, I wake up at 7. Repeat, I wake up at 7. Listen, I brush my teeth. Repeat, I brush my teeth. Listen, I drink 1 glass of water. Repeat, I drink 1 glass of water. Listen, I eat breakfast now. Repeat, I eat breakfast now. Listen, I go to work. Repeat, I go to work. Listen, I see my friends. Repeat, I see my friends. Listen, we talk about English. Repeat, we talk about English. Listen, I come home at 5. Repeat, I come home at 5. Excellent. Daily life words are most important. Say these 5 times today. Part 4. Longer sentences. Listen, I want to learn English every day. Repeat, I want to learn English every day. Listen, you can speak English very well. Repeat, you can speak English very well. Listen, this lesson helps you understand. Repeat, this lesson helps you understand. Listen, we practice listening together now. Repeat, we practice listening together now. Listen, good listeners become good speakers. Repeat, good listeners become good speakers. Listen, your English improves every day. Repeat, your English improves every day. Listen, practice makes listening easy. Repeat, practice makes listening easy. Listen, you hear better after practice. Repeat, you hear better after practice. Very good. Longer sentences build confidence. Pause video. Repeat all 8. Part 5. Small conversations. Now we practice real talking. Listen to both people. Repeat both parts. Person A. Hello. How are you? Person B. I am good. Thank you. Repeat, hello. How are you? I am good. Thank you. Person A, what is your name? Person B, my name is Anna. Repeat, what is your name? My name is Anna. Person A, where are you from? Person B, I am from Canada. Repeat, where are you from? I am from Canada. Person A, do you like English? Person B, yes, I like English. Repeat, do you like English? Yes, I like English. Person A, see you tomorrow. Person B, see you tomorrow. Repeat, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Perfect. Real conversations use these patterns. Practice these 5 talks today. Part 6. Listening at normal speed. Now I speak a little faster. Like real English. Listen carefully. I go to the store every day. I buy food and water. I talk to the shopkeeper. He is very nice. I pay with money. I walk home slowly. Practice makes me better. Listen again. I go to the store every day. I buy food and water. I talk to the shopkeeper. He is very nice. I pay with money. I walk home slowly. Practice makes me better. Now you say it. I go to the store every day. I buy food and water. I talk to the shopkeeper. He is very nice. I pay with money. I walk home slowly. Practice makes me better. Good job with normal speed. Part 7. Question and answer practice. Listen to question. Think answer. Then listen to my answer. Question. What time do you wake up? Answer. I wake up at 7 o'clock. You say I wake up at 7 o'clock. Question. What do you eat for breakfast? Answer. I eat bread and eggs. You say I eat bread and eggs. Question. Where do you work? Answer. I work at my office. You say I work at my office. Question. What do you do after work? Answer. I practice English lessons. You say I practice English lessons. Question. When do you sleep? Answer. I sleep at 10 o'clock. You say I sleep at 10 o'clock. Excellent question practice. Answer these questions to friends today. Part 8. Review all practice. Now say your favorite sentences from today. Choose 5 sentences. Say them clear and slow. Remember your Day 7 goal. Hear English clearly. Understand normal speed. Feel confident. 5 listening tips for daily practice. Tip 1. Listen every day. Even 5 minutes helps your ear. Tip 2. Start slow. Don't listen too fast English first. Tip 3. Repeat many times. Same audio 3 times minimum. Tip 4. Say what you hear. Shadowing plus listening equals power. Tip 5. Use English everywhere. Phone, TV, music, videos. Your daily listening plan. 10 minutes total. Morning 5 minutes easy sentences. Repeat after audio. Afternoon 3 minutes normal speed story. Listen twice. Night 2 minutes conversation practice. Say both parts. Do this every day. Your ear becomes stronger. Common listening mistakes for beginners. Mistake 1. Try to hear every word. You don't need 100%. Get main idea. Mistake 2. Get angry when not understand. Stay calm. Try again. Mistake 3. No repetition. Listen same audio 3 times. Mistake 4. Wrong level. Too hard audio stops progress. Mistake 5. No speaking practice. Always repeat what you hear. Tomorrow Day 8. Speak English without fear. Confidence lesson. You built strong foundation. Days 1 to 7 complete. Roadmap plus practice equals results. Comment listening done plus 1 sentence you remember. Subscribe for Day 8. Watch full playlist. Day 8 confidence coming tomorrow. Keep listening every day. Your ear improves now. See you tomorrow.